So what are the key elements of these lifestyle changes that we are talking about? Number one is that movement is medicine. Finding the right movements that support your back and sciatica problems, that help them heal and not make them worse, is key. And of course, you have to work with the right provider in order to fine-tune these movements over a course of period of time. Number two is your posture, your day-to-day posture, whether you are sitting, whether you're standing, whether you're walking. The posture in which your spine falls into will play a big role in how your sciatica and back problems show up from time to time, because that's where you spend majority of your day in a certain posture. It's almost like the diet to your exercise. If you are exercising regularly but eating a bad diet, you're not going to make much progress in terms of weight loss. It's the same when it comes to posture and movements. When it comes to healing sciatica problems, posture fixation goes hand in hand with doing the right movements. Otherwise, you're not going to see much success. Number three is making sure you're using the right mattress, the right pillow when you sleep through the night. A lot of people, they end up in a mattress that's really soft. It could not be the right type for them, and that could be the reason why they wake up in pain first thing in the morning, or they do not get a very comfortable good night's sleep, or not using the right type of pillow that supports their spine and their neck. So kind of working with us to find out if what you're using is just right for you is another key. Number four is making sure you wear the right type of shoes, whether you are at work, you're going on long walks, you are a runner, you are an athlete. Having the right supportive shoes can also have a big impact on your spine and your discs throughout the day, and that could make a big difference on how your spine and discs and sciatica problems respond over a period of time. And number five is if there is excessive body fat, if you are overweight or obese and that's putting a lot of excessive weight on your spine, then losing some of that body fat may be something that you might want to consider for long-term health of your spine and joints and your discs, and to keep these sciatica problems at bay. And there are a couple other things that we might modify while working with you if we find them to stick out in your lifestyle. Like if you are someone who travels a lot, you are going to be in the cars for a long time, in flights for a long time. How can we make sure that that is not putting all that extra load and stress on your spine and your discs? So if you are someone who has found some value in this video, these are the type of things we are going to be discussing in our this month's masterclass or workshop on sciatica problems, how you can manage your sciatica problems naturally and avoid unnecessary surgery in the long run, avoid being in a series of epidurals and injections. Then join us for this month's workshop. The details will be listed below with the link to sign up. The seats for the workshop are limited because we like to keep it to a small group, so don't wait too long to sign up. And if you know a friend or a family member who can benefit from being a part of this workshop, it's a complimentary class. So yeah, feel free to share this video with them. So hoping to see you at the workshop.